What is stress relieving for metal fabrication and how is it beneficial? I'm Travis Pomranke with Winnebago Manufacturing Company, and this is a common question we get asked. Today, I'm going to explain the stress relieving process and the positive benefits of stress relieving for metal fabrication, welding, and machining. During the manufacturing process, metal parts go through an extreme amount of stress. Welding, rolling, machining, cutting, or anything that moves steel will cause a buildup of residual stresses, and the metal is stretched and compressed. To relieve these stresses, the metal is heated to just below the critical range, approximately 1200 degrees Fahrenheit, and soaked thoroughly at this temperature. The metal becomes soft enough to allow creep, and internal residual stresses are released. Stress relieving improves the part's machinability and promotes a tighter mechanical tolerance, but unlike annealing or normalizing, it does not change the steel properties. This prepares the steel for further working without stress cracking or to be put into the service without failure in the future. The benefits of stress relieving go beyond part quality to drive out cost, time, and manufacturing processes. This is a business case that shows us how our partner achieved a 25% reduction in machining costs with stress relief parts. The company has a 40-year history of supplying parts in the industry with custom engineered machine assemblies. The steel components and parts industry continue to receive pressure to reduce cycle time and cost to remain competitive. We work together to compare the machining of parts versus parts that were stress relieved and not stress relieved. Based on the amount of machining they needed to complete in the heat affected zone of the thermal cut area, the parts that had been stress relieved provided a significant savings in time and tooling expenses. For example, they needed to face off both sides, turn the OD and bore the ID of a ring. By stress relieving this ring, our partner did not have to go through the hard zones and wear out tooling. Overall, our partner achieved a 25% reduction in parts cost by stress relieving before machining parts. If you have any questions about stress relieving, give us a call.